A donkey is walking down the road. It looks very sad.
Oh dear, I have worked on this farm all my life. Now I must leave. My life is in danger. My owners say I am useless because I am old. I think I will go to Bremen and become a musician.
The donkey leaves the farm. He meets a dog.
Hello, old donkey. Where are you going?
To Bremen to become a musician.
Can I come too? I am old and cannot work. My owner has driven me out.
Please come along with me.
They walk on till they meet a cat.
Hello, friends. Where are you going?
To Bremen.
We are old and are of no use to anyone. We are running away. Our owners don't want us anymore. I am in great danger too. I am old and cannot catch mice for my owner. Yesterday she said she was going to sell me.
Come along with us.
Thank you, I shall.
They walk on till they meet a cock sitting on a gate.
That's a fine voice. Yes, I'm lucky. I'm alive. My owner was going to sell me.
You sing very well. Join us.
Certainly.
The four friends walk along the road. It is getting dark, but they are still a long way from Bremen.
We cannot get to Bremen tonight.
Here is a big tree. I can sleep on a branch.
And I can perch on the highest branch.
And the donkey and I can lie near the trunk.
From the top of the tree,
There is a light not far away. It looks like a house. Oh, perhaps there will be some food there.
Let's go and see.
they walk to the house and look from the window.
There are four robbers in the room. They are sitting round a table full of food.
We must frighten them away.
The dog stands on the donkey's back. The cat climbs on the dog, and the dog perches on the cat. They begin to sing loudly. Then they all fall through the window. The frightened robbers run away.
Run, run, before we are caught.
The four musicians did not go to Bremen. They lived happily ever after in the house.